Are you ready for a change? Would you like to live up to your full potential? If that sounds like you, the Commonwealth of Virginia Institute is the ticket. We're located at 4021 Halifax Road, Suite D in South Boston, Virginia. If you've been bouncing from hourly wage to hourly wage and you're now looking for a career, the Commonwealth of Virginia Institute, that's the place for you. If you'd like more information on how you can be a career changer, just log on to www.commonwealthofvirginiainstitute.com, and that will be the beginning of your future. When you choose a career at the Commonwealth of Virginia Institute, your career starts here. From nurse's aide to the nurse's aide refresher course, medical assistant, medical billing and coding, phlebotomy, EKG, IV therapy, pharmacy technician, mental health technician, surgical technologist, and NCLEX review. Let's look at the nurse's aide course description. This course includes basic nursing skills required to provide safe, competent personal care for individuals. Emphasis is placed on personal-centered care, the aging process, communication, safety and emergencies, infection prevention, legal and ethical issues, measurements, elimination, nutrition, basic restorative care and rehabilitation, dementia, mental health, and social service needs, as well as special needs and end-of-life care. Upon completion, students should be able to demonstrate knowledge and skills and be eligible to take the Nurse's Aide Competency Exam. Nurse's Aide Refresher. This 48-hour course consists of classroom and lab review of basic nursing care performed by the nurse's aide. The goal of this course is to build upon the experience and knowledge that the student has and to prepare the student to take the nurse aide exam and skills evaluation. Medical assistant. The medical assisting curriculum prepares multi-skilled healthcare professionals qualified to perform administrative, clinical, and laboratory procedures. Coursework includes instruction in scheduling appointments, coding, and processing insurance accounts, billing, collections, computer operations, assisting with examinations and treatments, performing routine laboratory procedures, medical billing and coding specialist. The course will train the medical billing encoder to abstract information from documentation from the professional healthcare provider and assign the appropriate codes and create a claim to be paid by the insurance company, the patient, or other source of payment. Most medical billers and coders are employed by hospitals. However, they also work in other settings, including physician practices, specialty clinics, surgical facilities, nursing outpatient facilities, nursing homes, home care facilities, insurance providers, and medical research facilities. Phlebotomy technician. A phlebotomist plays a vital part in healthcare by collecting blood specimens from patients for laboratory tests used in the diagnosis and treatment of disease. Phlebotomists perform vein punctures, finger sticks, or heel sticks to obtain specimens. In addition, phlebotomists also work with laboratory personnel to manage, process, and transport specimens collected from patients. In some settings, phlebotomists may perform bedside testing. Phlebotomists work in dynamic, fast-paced environments and are challenged each day with situations requiring specialized knowledge and skill. Hospitals, clinics, doctors' offices, nursing homes, research settings, and reference labs all employ phlebotomists. EKG technician. An EKG technician is also called an EKG tech. EKG or ECG is the abbreviation for an electrocardiograph. An EKG measures the electrical activity of the heart and can be used to diagnose various heart diseases. EKG technicians are members of the healthcare team who specialize in electrocardiography, stress testing, and Holter monitor procedures. An EKG technician will attach a series of electrodes to a patient's chest and limbs and print a recording of the heart activity on the EKG machine for interpretation by a physician. A Holter monitor is a portable device for monitoring heart activity. The Holter monitors 24 or more hours of normal activity by the patient. Leads are placed on the patient's chest and attached to a portable EKG monitor that is on the patient's belt. The technician removes the tape from the monitor and places it in a scanner and prints the information from the tape for analysis by a physician. IV therapy. This course trains nurses, nursing students, and paramedics to start IV safely. Students enrolled in this program must be RNs, LPNs, nursing students, and paramedics. Each participant will learn to correctly administer intravenous fluids to patients safely and will be able to demonstrate the procedure. Each individual who demonstrates the skills correctly will be given a certificate of completion. The curriculum includes the following topics: intravenous therapy maintenance, intravenous catheters, antibiotic therapy, complications of IV therapy, infection control, fluid balance, safe fluid administration, and allergic responses. Pharmacy technician. The pharmacy technology program includes classroom instruction coordinated with textbooks and laboratory activities. Coursework gives students a broad knowledge of the actions and uses of drugs, pharmacology, pharmaceutical calculations, anatomy and physiology, drug delivery systems, pharmacy and administration, and medical terminology and abbreviations. Simulated pharmacy technology laboratory activities and clinical experiences allow students to build management, organization, and interpersonal skills, as well as skills in customer relations, computer technology, and communications, as they learn how to perform pharmacy-related functions. Clinical practice takes place in medical centers, hospitals, and in selected retail pharmacies. Mental health technician. After completion of the course, the mental health technician will be able to work in a mental health setting, such as a mental hospital, mental health group home, Department of Corrections, mental health and community, psychosocial programs. Mental health technicians will be able to work with individuals with diagnosis of mental illness. The course will equip the individual with knowledge and skills in therapeutic interventions with the mentally ill. To complete the course, each individual must gain clinical experience in a mental health setting. The goal of this training is to improve the quality of care of mentally ill clients. Surgical technologist. The surgical technology program prepares students to assist in the care of the surgical patient in the operating room and to function as a member of the surgical team. Students will apply theoretical knowledge to the care of patients undergoing surgery and develop skills necessary to prepare supplies, equipment, and instruments, maintain aseptic conditions, prepare patients for surgery, and assist surgeons during operations. Employment opportunities include labor, delivery, emergency departments, inpatient, outpatient surgery centers, dialysis units, facilities, physicians' offices, and central supply processing units. NCLEX Review for RN. The NCLEX Review is a review to help those who have completed the requirements for graduation from a school of nursing and eligible to sit for the National Council Licensure Examination, which is administered by individual state boards of nursing. The primary purpose for the examination is to determine if it is safe for you to begin practice as a nurse. Well, there you have it. Commonwealth of Virginia Institute, located at 4021 Halifax Road, Suite D, South Boston, Virginia. For more information, call 434-222-2342 or log on to our website at www.commonwealthofvirginiainstitute.com. If you're ready for a career change, if you want to move away from that hourly wage, if you're looking to do the best you can and be the best you can for your family, Commonwealth of Virginia Institute is the place for you. Again, CommonwealthofVirginiaInstitute.com.